Hi folks, how are you all doing today? And it's time for us to create some very cool and interesting game. Space Invaders. I'm calling this as like Space Invaders, you can say, or shooting the UFOs. Okay, so shooting UFOs, or any other name if you want to give, right? So this is gonna be interesting, fun, right? And you're going to learn how to create a shooting game with this, right? This is going to be something really fun, really cool and interesting, which we will be creating. So in today's session, we'll just build up the basic game and let's see how it works, right? I've already selected some pictures and all, but I wanted to download it in front of you all. So that's why I've just selected them, but I haven't downloaded them yet. So let's get started with the game. Let's create the Space Invaders. Okay. So yeah, shooting UFOs. Okay, here the main concept is basically shooting UFOs. Okay, I'm deleting this. So let's get our rocket basically, which will shoot bullets, right? So I'm just saving image as I'm clicking on that to save image. Okay, and then let's get a bullet. So I've selected a bullet. So I'm getting transparent images like you can see. Okay, so transparent images will make your work very much simple and easy. So yeah, get them. And then we'll need a UFO. So I've selected this, but yeah, it's all up to you. You can select any image. Not at all an issue. There are so many, right? Let's see if all of these work. If they doesn't work, then we have to get some other pictures. Okay. So let's get a backdrop first. I think we already have some space backdrop, so I haven't got it into this much. But yeah, you can choose any. So maybe this, like it has this spooky kind of effect, right? You can choose any backdrop, by the way, no problem. And then, oh, we're not getting it from here. I think I need a black background that would actually suit my thing well. So I will choose stars backdrop. This this has less uh, kind of stuff on it, so where my characters would actually show up well, right? So that's just the reason I've taken this. It's all up to you. Any backdrop you can get. Okay, so it's not mandatorily that you have to use this one, right? But I have chosen this one just because I want a plain black kind of a backdrop, which again, it's not like very much plain also. Okay, so it has some stars, so that's why. Let's get spaceship. What was it? I forgot the name. So it's basically first one was bullet.png. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Let's go to costumes and oh wait, what? Uh, okay, cool. So let's select this thing. Let's increase the size. Actually, I don't want the line, so that's why I'm just trying to delete the line. Let's delete that. So I think nothing else is there. On the side also it has a line, but I don't know if I can find it over here. Let's delete it. I think I have deleted the other thing. Let's say I'm just, yeah, selecting it like this, delete. Now I don't find any line. Okay. So it's small right now. I would say convert to vector. I'm not sure if I will be able to select it. Let's decrease the size. Yeah, it's small now. I mean, I will make it smaller because bullets should not be very big, right? So that's why I'm just trying to make it, you know, and I also want to make it vertical. So, okay, I hope it's vertical now, and let's decrease it more. Yeah, I think this is making sense now. Like you can also see the bullet, right? And let's say I would want to change the color. I don't know. I'm not sure if I can do that right now because this became a complete image now, right? So okay, let's have this bullet because it has fire, so we will be able to see that. Let's upload the spaceship rocket. I'm not sure what I have saved it. Really not sure what I have saved it. So I'm just searching here to get one. Oh, space rocket. Okay. Okay, cool. It's too big and let's go to costumes. Let's just like select the entire thing. I don't think it selected the entire thing. No, not really. Convert to vector. This thing would actually work, right? So I'm just holding this, making it vertical. I think uh, this is now vertical, right? Also, let's just decrease the size of it. Yeah, let's place it over here. Let's decrease the size a little more. Okay, cool. This works, right? I'll just make the bullet a little bit more smaller. So let's say 50. Yeah, cool. This will work, right? So yeah, we have this rocket now. Let's say rocket, and let's name it as bullet. Okay, and then let's upload the last one, which is UFO, enemy sprite basically, right? So UFO, cool. Yeah, it has some lines around it. I don't know why those lines are there, so I would just like try to get rid of them. Delete. Yeah, cool. Delete. Okay. I'm just getting rid of those lines because I really don't like them. I mean, they look, it doesn't really look good on the sprite for me. So I'm just trying to select it and delete it. That's it. Okay. So if you don't wanna do this, it's all up to you. Not at all an issue, right? But yeah, we can't completely avoid those lines on the sprite. But yeah, at least we could do something. So that's pretty much it, right? And yeah, I also would. I think I can select this thing, delete it, select this thing, and delete it. Select this thing and delete it. I don't know. I'm pretty particular about these things because this affects the look and feel of the game, isn't it? So yeah, that's just the reason. And yeah, I think this is pretty much it on it. So let's say UFO. Okay, and this is enemy sprite basically. So let's say 50. Yeah, I think this size is okay. Let's say 40. 40 is fine. We have this. So I'm just placing it over here. Okay. And it did it change the color right now? I'm not sure. And we want the bullet over here, so I'm just placing it over here for now. But the basic thing is this would be on top of it. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty much about it, and we will be starting off the code right now. So I'm renaming this as Rocket. The costume name is Rocket. This is Bullet and this is UFO. Let them be the same. Yeah. So wherever your rocket goes, so from there we wanna shoot UFOs, and we will be just spawning UFOs randomly on the screen. So that's how it's gonna work. And I'm just gonna close all of these because we don't want it anymore. We have the setup ready, we have the design ready, we are good to start off with the game, right? So first thing we will be needing is I would say we would we would want to set up the rocket's position first, right? So I think this minus 150 thing is working well, right? Let's go to events. When flag clicked, I would want to show the sprite. So show it. Okay, and then also we want to go to some position, right? So I would say x0 because x0 means it's like coming from the middle. And why minus 150? I think it's good. We need not show the entire fire of the rocket. I think this is good. This is going, I mean, this position is good. So I will let it be like that. Okay. And then we also have to give the movements like left and right movements basically. So let's go to events. We already have such kind of a thing called as when right arrow pressed and when left arrow pressed, right? So when left arrow pressed, basically we would want to go towards left, right arrow pressed, we would want to go towards right, correct? So to move towards left and right, we have this change x by val 10 and change x by 10. For left, you have to change x by minus 10 because it goes in negative direction, because on the left you have the negative x-axis. Change x by 10 would make it move towards right. Okay. And then, so I would also show you, so you can see it is moving left, right. Okay. That's pretty much it we wanted, right? So yeah, this is about the right and left movements. And then I would say when space key is pressed, I would want to release a bullet from the rocket. Okay. Then let's go to events when space key pressed. So to release a bullet, we only have one bullet, right? So then how would it work? So I would say we have to create clone of bullet whenever space key is pressed. Okay, so creating clone, we already know what is cloning. If you don't know, please do go back to my channel. In Scratch playlist, we have cloning demonstration. Go check out that video and then come back here to continue. Okay, so now when space key is pressed, we want to create the clone of bullet, right? So when bullet starts as a clone, right? So when flag is clicked, I would want to hide it first. Okay, so let's hide it when flag is clicked. And when I start as a clone, okay, then I would want to show it first. So show this. Not only showing it is enough, right? It has to go to rocket always and then only start the journey, right? So to go to rocket always, you have this go to. When I start as a clone, go to rocket. Okay, so see, it goes back to rocket, right? And then we also have to point in direction, right? So point in direction 90, I would say. So then it would point towards right side, correct? Point in direction 0. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think it should start. Let's see. And repeat until touching edge, right? So until and unless it is touching the edge, it has to move forward, like move upward here, right? So let's go to control and get repeat until. Repeat until touching edge, right? So we would want to change it and move it upwards. So change y value to move upwards. So change y by 10 will make it move upwards, right? So once it touches the edge, it will stop there. So if it stops there and if it stays on the screen, that would look odd, right? So that's why I would just want to delete the clone there. Okay, so let's delete this clone. Okay, so yeah, this will pretty much do the task is what I feel like. Let's see. If it doesn't do the thing, then we can edit it. Okay, we are always free to do that task and it's in our hands. Now, now UFOs also, so we only have one UFO here, right? And we can't let it, stay only one, right? So we have to make it go to any part of the screen and start from there, like start falling down basically. So while they are falling down, we have to shoot them and we have to destroy the UFOs, right? So basically, again, when green flag clicked, we would wanna hide it first because we don't want to show it here. Whenever it starts as a clone, we have to show this. Okay. Also, we have to set some good position for this. So go to XY. I would say X will be 0 and Y let it be 177. Okay. So, and then now, forever it has to actually clone itself, isn't it? Because we want to play this game forever, almost again and again, it has to start spawning themselves. So we would say create clone of myself, right? And not like they shouldn't create themselves very often, right? So I would say wait 2 seconds before creating the next clone, right? Now, now when I start as a clone, right? So when I start as a clone, then what I want to do is I want to first show the sprite, right? So I'm just showing it first. Okay. And we want to set the random positions for this one. So to set random positions, you have to go to XY. Y will be constant because always they start from top. But X value, we should pick it randomly. Okay. So randomly, how can you pick that? How can you give the range, right? So it's basically drag it towards left, place it over here. See what is the X value? It's minus 225, right? So let's pick it and write it over here. And let's drag it towards right. Place it over here. I think 225 will work, right? So 225. Okay, from minus 225 to 225, they would start falling down and we have to start shooting them. Okay, so go to XY's point. Now, now from here, it has to forever start falling down, correct? So that's why I would go to control and say forever. And to make it fall down, we have change y by minus 10, right? So change y by minus 10. So how fast you want it to fall down? It depends on that. So let's say if you write minus 5, they will be a little slower. Okay. And now if at all, while it is falling down, if it touches the bullet, right? Then what should be done? So basically go to control if touching bullet. Okay, so if touching bullet, then then we would want to wait zero point 0.1 seconds and we would want to delete it. Okay, so like why I'm waiting zero point 0.1 seconds is just to add a very small delay so that it nothing goes wrong over here, right? So that's it. So delete this clone, right? And then if at all it is going beyond certain y value over here, let's say it's like this, so then we have to delete it because we don't want it, right, anymore. So if the y value goes less than minus 120, then we would want to just delete it automatically. So if go to operators, get less than operator, y position, you can get it from motion, so y position. So if y position of the sprite is going less than minus 120, then we would want to delete the sprite automatically. So I would say, so just wait zero point 0.1 seconds and delete the clone. Okay, let's let's just see what exactly is happening now. Oh yeah, point in direction 0 is doing something else. So we have to point in direction 90 only in bullet. So point in direction 90. I mean, we have changed the direction, right? So that's why this is happening. Okay. And it's not always 90 for your case. It can be different. Like you can see, I'm able to move left, right. Okay. And then we're able to shoot it. When I shoot it, like you can see, it's very slow because I've given when key pressed, then only I am just trying to shoot this, right? Okay, bullets are going perfectly fine. And yeah, UFOs are also getting, shooted. When I shoot them and if they touch the bullet, they are just getting away from the screen. It's absolutely working fine, I must say, right? But yeah, this is not the complete game, okay? We have created some part of the game. I think so far it's going well and it's doing the thing, right? And we have to add so many features into this, which we will be doing gradually, right? For today, I would say this is it. We have created the basic Space Invaders game. So I will be sharing this link with you all guys in the description box below. You can check it out. Okay. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can do let me know in the comment section below. And you can do let me know what kind of features you want to add in. We are going to add so many more features in the upcoming session, like scores, adding end cards, and there are so many things in this. Okay. So we would do so much, but yeah, for today, this is all, right? I hope you all like this session. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And I will be all meeting you in the next session with Space Invaders 2.0. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yes, bye bye, guys. Have a great day, all.